Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today we are gonna show you a very different kind of chicken recipe, and this is Gandharaj chicken recipe or Kafir lime chicken recipe. You all know that Gandharaj lime is a king of lime and it has a beautiful aroma, and we are just gonna use this aroma in our chicken recipe. So let's start this recipe and check out the ingredients first. Here I have taken around 750 grams of chicken, and you can see that I have taken some big pieces of this chicken, and now it's time to marinate this. And for that I am using 25 grams of ginger garlic paste. Then I will add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. And now I am adding 4 tablespoons of curd that I have already beaten well. And now I am just gonna extract this lime juice from our Gandharaj lime slices or Kafir lime slices, and we are just gonna use this to marinate our chicken. And here I have taken 2 Gandharaj lime slices for marination. And now mix this well. Then keep it in a refrigerator for 1 to 1.5 hours. Here for the spices I have used 2 bay leaves, half nutmeg या जायफल, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon, 4 cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves or long, 1 mace or javitri, 1 teaspoon shahzire or aniseed, 5 to 6 white pepper and 5 to 6 black pepper. And now I have to roast these spices, and for that here I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee, then I will add the spices one by one: cloves, mace, aniseed, cardamom, black pepper and white pepper, bay leaves, cinnamon, black cardamom and nutmeg. I have to just roast it, and for that I will saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 4 red chilies. But it's optional, you can avoid it too. Then again I will roast it for few seconds. Then keep it to cool down, and here I will take it out these bay leaves, and I will use these for curry. Then take these in a mixer bowl. Now it's time to grind the spices. You can see the spices are ready now. Now take 3 teaspoons of mustard oil on the same pan and just heat it up little bit. And then add this half boiled potato in this pan, and here I have taken 3 big sized of potato and just cut into 6 pieces. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now I'm gonna fry this. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to fry. If you cover the lid, then it will be more easy. And here our potatoes are well fried, and now just take this out from the pan. And now on the same pan I'm adding 2 more teaspoons of mustard oil, and I will heat it up. Now for curry, here I have taken 8 to 10 pieces of garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped, and onion paste and tomato puree. So to prepare the gravy, firstly I will add those bay leaves, then garlics, chopped green chilies, then saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add this onion paste, and here I have taken 3 big sized of onion and blend it to make a paste. Then again mix this well until this onion gets golden yellow color. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes more. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then again mix this well. Now add this tomato puree, and I have taken 2 big sized of tomato and blend it to make this puree. Now again mix this well. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. You can add as per your taste. Now again mix this and cook this masala or spices with the help of little bit of water. Now it's time to add this marinated chicken pieces. Add one by one. Now add those spices which I have already blended. And again add this kaffir lime juice. Here I have taken 2 slices of this Gandharaj lime or kaffir lime, and I will extract the juice and I will use it. Then mix this well, and you can smell the aroma of this kaffir lime. Then again add some water and mix this well. Then cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then add this fried potato in the gravy, and again cook it for 15 minutes. Now your gravy is almost ready. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. So our Gandharaj lime chicken or kaffir lime chicken is totally ready. You can see it looks beautiful, and trust me, it tastes heavenly. You can try this at your home, and please let me know in the comment section how you will like it. You can have it with rice, paratha or fried rice or pulao, anything as per your wish. And if you like our recipe, please click the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do support us and keep watching our videos, and for the new upcoming recipes, please click the bell icon. Thank you.